HTML basics in 5 minutes. Think of your website as a house, and HTML is a frame of the house that keeps everything together. Where, for example, CSS is the paint, is the decorations of the house, and JavaScript adds some functionality to the house, like, I don't know, doors opening, windows opening, etc. Let's do some theory and then jump right in and create our first website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In simple words, hypertext means just text with links to other text with links. Where markup language is simply, it's just a system of tags that tells the browser how to display your page. Very simple. Everything in HTML is a tag of some sort. There's 3 types of tags: opening, closing, and self-closing. The syntax of a tag is pretty simple. It is a descriptor which tells the browser what tag it is inside the angle brackets. We call it an element. Some elements require 2 tags, opening and closing, where closing tag has a front slash in front of the descriptor. Some elements use self-closing tags like image or a break tag, where you put the front slash after that descriptor. There's also attributes inside the tags that give the browser extra information. Every element in HTML has their own set of attributes. The syntax of attribute is also extremely simple. You write the attribute, equal sign, and then double quotation marks. In those quotation marks, you put the value of the attribute. That's it. Now let's jump in and build our first website. Before we jump into coding, we need some kind of ID, we need some kind of program where to write all the code. There's a bunch of them out there. I suggest using VS Code. It's the most versatile, it's the most kind of beginner friendly, and has a bunch of great extensions like live server or auto name tags. Now let's click the File Explorer, open a folder, create a new folder. Now click this Create New File button, name our file index.html. Why index.html? This is simply a naming convention for free main file, like index.html, style.css, main.javascript, main.typescript, etc. Now, before we get to code, let's install a very useful extension. So we go into extension panel, look up live server, and install this extension. This will auto reload the website for us, so we don't have to manually do it after every change. Don't worry, this is a local server, no one else but you will be able to see it. Now let's write something like h1 and say, welcome to our first website.